Hi everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we have question 31 from November 2016, paper 22. A copper wire has resistance of 2 ohm. A second copper wire is twice as long as the first wire and its diameter is twice the diameter of the first wire. What is the resistance of the second wire? First of all, that we have resistance is always directly proportional to the length and inversely proportional to the cross-sectional area. Examiner gave us some information that the length of the second wire is twice the first wire. For the second information, the diameter or the radius of the second wire is twice the first wire as well. To answer the question and finding the resistance of the second wire, use ratio. R2 divided by R1 equals L2, because it's already directly proportional to number 2, the second wire, divided by L1. But here you have to make upside down. It's A1 because it's inversely with the resistance 1, and A2 in the denominator. It's inversely with R2. Go through mathematical substitution. R2 divided by R1 equals. The point is, L2 is twice L1, so 2L1 over L1. They are going to cancel out. And A2 is pi or A1 pi R1 square. And for A2 it's pi R2 square. Cancel out the pi with a pi. And it gives us 2 here, so I'm going to write 2. R1 square, it's still R1 square. But I know from the given, the diameter or the radius R2 is twice R1. So instead of writing R2 square, I would write 2R1, but do not forget to make square. So it means by the end, R2 divided by R1 equals 2R1 square divided by square of the 2, it's 4R1 square. Cancel out the R1 square with R1 square. It gives us, and 2 with a 4, it's half. R2 over R1 equals half. But he's asking to find out the resistance of the second wire. Easy. R2 now divided by R1 equals half. Okay, so R2 equals half. R1 equals half. R1 was how much? 2 ohm. From the given, the first line, so times 2. So 2 times half, which is 1 ohm. The correct answer is A. If you love the video, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you next video.